Hey, I'm Kai Robinson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. These are my friends.
Hi.
And today they're going to be our special guests. And yeah, we're going to make some ice cream. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 3 frozen bananas to our food processor. So there are frozen bananas, and pop them into the food processor. By the way, that is a Vigado. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. In the description, you're going to find the recipe, and there's not only chocolate, but also vanilla and strawberry ice cream. In this video, I chose to make chocolate ice cream, but you are welcome to make whatever flavor you would like. So yeah. Okay, and now you're going to add, I forgot how much milk it was. Is it 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons? I think it was 2. Yep, 2 tablespoons. And now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Now this is totally optional. If your frozen bananas were already sweet enough from the beginning, you really don't have to add the maple syrup, just to make it a little sweeter, but it's really optional and not mandatory at all.
Okay, so Kaya was trying to mix it, and she may or may not have put a metal knife inside of it while it was on, and the knife may or may not have completely bent out of shape. And now we can't get it open. Whoopsie. Mistake. Seriously, like, what do we do now? Like,
Guys,
seriously.
Look at that.
And no, it's jammed in there. Yeah. Does your mom know about this yet? No. Can you go upstairs and show this to her, please, and ask her for advice?
No.
Woo!
I don't know.
I want to see you.
No, but it was more bent. Your mom fixed it a little bit, but like. But how did that? Okay.
We got it.
I would do it from
Alright, so now we are going to put all our ice cream in our pan. And there's Batsian just sticking her head in the shot. And this batch that I made this time, I guess I didn't add enough bananas. The recipe is 3 frozen bananas, but I guess I didn't have enough. So this batch, there is not as much ice cream as there usually is. But yeah, usually there's a lot more. And you're just going to pop this in the freezer for a few hours until it is frozen. And when you want to take it out to eat it, just let it defrost for like 10 minutes and you're all good. And this recipe is so good. You have no idea. I can eat this whole batch in like 20 minutes. It is so good, and it's also guilt-free because it's healthy. So yeah, I will put the original video right at the end of the video, so you can check out a better quality one than mine. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, have a great day.